Aloha. Many of us, they think music is in the outside, in notes, in rules, in theory. But I believe and I know that you are music. Music is inside you. You feel, you vibrate, and you play. Maybe you know that feeling. Your head is drowsy and loud, but inside your heart, you belong to stillness, to silence, and you're still searching for the right key, the right note to play on your instrument. Stop searching. I invite you to end the search. I'm Doña Barça, a certified music therapist and author of many books, and the inventor and creator of my Doña's free play method. I guide you on a journey from the head to our hearts. So this channel isn't about music theory, it's about resonance. The healing path, stories of transformation and courage. Free play flow, intuitive handpan sounds and tutorials, and creative awakening tools like my books or the handpan and my method. Are you ready to find your own melody? Come with me. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. See you soon. Namaste, Doña.